And before we start, before we begin, make yourself comfortable. So finding a place where it's easy for you to chill, where you feel grounded. And then when you feel ready, you can close your eyes. And then first just allow your mind to settle. And find that place in your mind, in your body, where things are naturally okay. Where you don't feel like you need to change anything. The place where you become curious about your body, what you're feeling, where you want to connect with your body through its sensations, through its signals. Where you feel like you're ready to tune into your body, to its language, as it speaks to you through sensations. And then see if you can really listen. In this guided body scan, I will take you through a body scan from the top of the head to the toes, observing the whole body from head to toe. And we begin to observe how we really feel. And to notice the sensations of the body. And also release some tension with this meditation. By just our awareness and our curious, gentle attention. And let's begin scanning the body. So as I say the part of the body, just visualize relaxation. And then feel any tension there. And see if you can send your breath there like a laser, releasing any tension or stress you are holding in that particular part of your body. Bring your attention to the top of your head. The forehead, the cheeks, the mouth, the back of the head, the top of the shoulders, the front of the chest, the upper back, the middle back, the lower back, your stomach and ribs. Now bring your awareness to your shoulders, the biceps, triceps, the forearms, your hands, and then bring your attention to your hips. Feel firmly rooted into your chair. Maybe you're sitting on the floor. And then bring your attention to your thighs. The right thigh, the left thigh, right knee, left knee, right chin, your right calf muscle, left chin, left calf muscle, your right ankle, your left ankle, your right foot, bottom of the right foot, the top of the foot, and your right toes. Your left foot, bottom of the left foot, top of the foot, and finally your left toes. Now start to scan your body from your head to your toes. As a total body overview, take your time to notice how your body really feels. Any sensations? If you feel any tension or any pain, any holding in a particular area, then bring your awareness to that part. And then take a breath in, breathe in space. And as you breathe out, release that pain, release that tension, release that holding in that part of your body. Scanning your body from head to toe. and seeing what you find. If there's any other part that feels like there's holding, maybe discomfort, anything else, take a deep breath into that part. Breathe in energy, breathe in space, and release discomfort. Release pain, release tension. And now feel yourself, feel your whole body in total relaxation. Feel your body free from discomfort, free from stress, free from pain. Feel how your body feels energized. As if you gave your whole body, your mind, your system a reboot. And this is something that you can do yourself as a practice to cultivate that personal, intimate connection with your body. As if you start to speak its language better and better. Knowing that the body speaks to us through sensations. And by tuning in to these parts of your body, you can manage stress, anxiety, discomfort. You can really establish a deeper connection with your body, with your mind. And start to take a few deeper inhalations here. As if you start to take energizing breaths, sending them to all corners of your body. Reawakening, re-energizing your whole body here. Sending a few extra breaths into your headspace. Taking a deep breath in here, hold for a few seconds and then exhale all air out. And here just let's be quiet together for a few moments. And just in your own private space, noticing how you feel right now. Do you feel any difference with before you started this body scan? Just taking stock of what is happening, what you're feeling right now. Last few moments here. And then still keep your eyes closed, but start to make gentle movements with your body. Making circles with your feet, stretching your toes. Making gentle movements with your body. And then mentally prepare yourself to come out of this practice. And then gently open your eyes.